Hello guys, welcome back to the R6 series. It's kind of nice out. Nice, yeah. It's kind of 10 degrees right now, and today I will be doing my first mod on the R6. But before that, I'll show you guys a couple of mods it does have already. So the first mod I noticed it has is the turn signals. It's kind of like aftermarket. Apart from that, I don't think it has any other aftermarket parts. Maybe the windshield or windscreen, whatever you call it, is aftermarket as well. I don't know if it's painted or not, but look at that. I don't know. I don't like it, so probably we're doing a lot of popular mods on it. But my first mod is gonna be installing the swingarm spool thingy on here. But yeah, before that, we'll take the bike for a wash. We got the bike washed, and now we are gonna install the kit right here. Quick and easy install. Now onto this side. Bye.